Hello all, this is Tim Goff of Tim's Computer Repairs coming at you with yet another computer repair. On this job, I've been working on a Dell Latitude 5420, and on this one I had to basically wipe the hard drive, reinstall Windows, and get it all activated and all that. Sorry about the sloppiness of the video, but as you can tell, I have it up and running, currently running a virus scan test, and as you can tell by double clicking on this PC and right clicking on properties in the white, you can tell that it's on Windows 10 Pro, has a 1.50 gigahertz processor, 16 gigs of RAM, 64-bit operating system, and it is indeed activated. So I would classify this as yet another successful computer repair job. Just gotta wait for the scan to get done, and then I'll be able to call and return the computer to the owner and get paid for services. Thank you for watching the video.